Hello.
I'm going home.
Hello. I think na-overwork ko na yung laptop. Pati itong si Zoom ang tagal magbukas.
Oh, yun.
So,
So,
for
finally,
14,000 steps, ilang kilometers ng 14,000 steps?
maybe six,
Six lang?
maybe more. Baka double.
Sobra naman. 14,000.
Or siguro mga 10 kasi 6 yung layo niya. Pero when we went there, we took the tram. So,
Oh,
nag-tram
pero few
kami,
steps. Siyempre.
but walked going back and making detour.
Naku, nakahang na. I just hear your voice. Can you see me?
Yes,
Am I moving?
you are moving.
But my camera, my computer froze. Ayun din. Ano ba nangyari? After 2 years, bumibigay na to, ano ba to?
Update
Planned
na siya.
obsolescence.
Yes. So, yarn, day 20 is upon us.
Yes. So, saan kayo nag-lunch?
Ay nako, itong si Diagi, hindi kami nag-lunch. So, nag-ano kami, dinner na kasi natapos kami mga 5:30, 5:40. So, alam naman, 5:40 dito madilim na. So, it was practically dinner time. So, siya na yung pinapili ko ng resto kung saan niya gusto kumain, ganyan. I was hoping na mag-check. I haven't really eaten Czech food. So,
Hmm.
sabi ko, sige, check tayo. Tapos, di ba, earlier sabi ko mag-try ako ng beer. Yeah, so I had those grand plans, but I wanted her also to just choose na lang. Ay nako, she chose a Chinese restaurant. So we went to a Chinese restaurant. Yun ang gusto niya eh. Di, sige, libre ko siya doon.
Ah,
So, in effect, I haven't really eaten any Czech food. So, di bali na. Anyway, I'm here and I saw, the sights. I mean, I think that's enough.
wala kang, dun sa Christmas Bazaar, hindi ka kumain ng
Uh,
fresa with chocolate.
Hindi kasi although maraming food stalls, karamihan food stalls, but we went to the Christmas market to look for pasalubong items,
Ah,
souvenir. But we found out na when they say Christmas market, they literally meant Christmas market. So
meaning,
yung mga non-food products were Christmas decorations. So things you will hang on your tree, mga gingerbread mga basta Christmas-related items. Almost lahat. Parang, I think yung mga hindi lang mga maliliit na jewelry, hindi naman yun ang bibilin kong souvenir. So, we had to go to an actual souvenir shop to get my pasalubongs. So, that's what we did. Tapos, umalis na kami dun sa place where yung Christmas market. Tapos after the souvenir, sabi ko, di kumain na tayo kasi gutom na. So, yun na yung pumili na siya ng Chinese restaurants. After dinner, pagod na, madilim na, malamig na. So, we just walked home. So, isang tram lang kami yung papunta. All the way back, we just totally covered it on foot.
nakakatuwa naman yung Christmas market. Very, relevant to the season.
Very relevant to the season. And of course, yesterday, I don't know if you watched the news, but a similar Christmas market somewhere in Germany had a terrorist attack, a tragedy.
Oh,
So
parang I heard of a news in that area, pero hindi ako umabot dun sa terrorist attack. Kasi maraming mga gatherings ngayon sa Europe ng nagpo-protest yung I don't wanna touch on it na lang.
yeah, okay, let's leave it at that. It's their problem here. Yun lang, nabanggit ko lang siya kasi it happened yesterday and today I was in a similar Christmas market. And my God, it was so crowded as in sardinas kami sa street. So sabi ko kay Diego, alam mo, sabi ko, sa Italy, it was never this crowded. Even in the Vatican, sa Rome, sa Firenze, sabi ko, hindi siya ganito ka-crowded. Dito lang ako nakakita sa Prague ng ganong very tight, dense yung crowd. So sabi ko, grabe ang tourism pala dito. Kaya pala yung plane ko coming here was fully booked. So I think that's good for Prague. na hindi lang siya nakakasabay sa neighbors niya. Eh, parang mas lamang pa siya sa dami ng tao dito. So, I suppose, very robust ang tourism talaga dito sa Prague, which is a good thing for them, right?
Yeah. Well, depende sa religion mo. So kung Christian yung religion mo and you work for a Christian-owned company, it's a long weekend.
Yeah. So,
Di
oo nga,
ba?
kasi I don't, I mean, I see Christmas all over the place, but hindi talaga nagdo-dawn sa akin na it's just a few days from now kasi nga I'm still going home. I'm going on a very long trip. So,
It's a
hindi ko,
Christmas. So yung mga Pilipinong na ano mo, maglo-long weekend na yun sa Prague.
yes.
Babalik na sila sa Wednesday.
Mhm.
Or baka nandiyan na sila ng 2 weeks.
Baka,
Babalik na sila ng ano, the New Year's, the day after the New Year's.
correct. Correct. So, yun. So, siguro nga. And when I was in Italy 2 weeks ago, syempre, that was a long time pa away from Christmas. Kaya siguro, hindi pa ganun kadaming tao. Baka ganun na din ngayon sa Italy.
Yeah, you were there before the crowd came in.
Yeah, before the Christmas rush.
Kasi syempre
So,
may merong mga gustong umattend ng Christmas mass ng Papa.
correct. So, yung Christmas rush, dito ko naabutan sa Prague.
Pero dyan maaga kasi wala ka pa sa Prague. Nakikita ko na sa TikTok and Instagram na incredulously crowded.
Yes, grabe, sobrang dami tao. Tapos, dun sa Old Town and that old bridge, Charles Bridge, grabe, sobrang daming tao. Kaya sabi ko, naku, saya ng businesses dito.
Paano kaya natin gagawin ng ganyan sa Pilipinas? Ang BGC paggabi, yung High Street, nakikita ko rin sa TikTok and Instagram. Ano din, elbow to elbow din.
Pero grabe naman kasi dito kasi today lang ako pumunta sa Old Town, di ba yung Prague 1? Because yesterday I was in Prague 2. Oh my God, ibang-iba yung Prague 1. Ang ganda-ganda. So, that's why they have a robust tourism. Kasi sobra naman kasing ganda talaga ng Prague 1. Super.
Tourist attraction pala yung pinuntahan. Akala ko you just want to check on Jeggy.
Well, of course, that and so, syempre, see the sights na rin. Eh, yun na nga, sabi ko nga sa'yo, I was not even able to eat any Czech cuisine kasi yesterday naman, nag-Christmas party naman. So, I was here. Syempre, Christmas party ng embassy, edi Pinoy food.
Potluck sila.
Not
Hindi ko naman
formally, pero
ma-imagine na si Jeggy ang nag-prepare lahat.
actually she does because when the Mads came here, she prepared for them. There were 40 of them. The Mads.
Talaga pumunta dyan? Anong ginawa ng nag-contest o nag-ano lang?
They had a concert.
Hmm.
And of course, they were guests of the embassy. Tapos, yun. So I think, yun, kasi tinanong ko siya, what's the most number of people you've cooked for and served? So sabi niya around 50. Kasi yung Mads, there were 40 and then of course some embassy staff. So 50 or so.
May picture ka sa kitchen nila dyan?
Wala. Although I was there kanina, I was about to take a photo, tapos pumasok si Madam. So nagkwentuhan na hindi ko na, mama, bukas siguro.
May ano?
So, bukas na lang.
Okay. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-edit lahat ng Zoom mat.
Aabutan ko na lang siya dyan.
O kasi may day na 3 beses tayo nag-Zoom.
When was that?
Yung when you left Matilde.
Okay.
So, kulang nga ako ng Zoom dapat. But since that day, 3 times tayo nag-Zoom. So parang nakahabol siya.
But I've
Kasi
seen those already.
ha?
I've seen those already.
Kaya nga. Kailan ka ba umalis sa ano pala, Milan, not Firenze? Milan.
Yes.
Diba? Nag-Zoom bago umalis si Noy. Nung umalis si Noy, then finally, when you were about to leave the room, tama ba?
Yeah. Yes.
Kanina may
So,
dumaang malaking airplane. Tinignan ko sa
mm,
Flight Radar 24. Papunta siyang Ho Chi Minh.
mm.
Tapos chinek ko na saan yung Ho Chi Minh. Kaano lang, kapantay niya lang ng Panay.
Panay?
Panay. Bang Panay.
Ah,
Boracay.
kaya
So parang
init dun.
tatawid lang siya ng pond. The, ano ba yan? Celebes Sea? What sea is that? Ah, the West Philippine
South
Sea.
China. Oh, West Philippine Sea and South China Sea.
Naaaliw ako. Dapat matagal ko nang ginagawa yan na tuwing nakakakita ako ng airplane, i-check mo sa flight radar. Kasi
Kaya
ako, pag
amazing
nag,
yung nakita mo yung plane ko when I left.
oo, yeah, kakatuwa yun. Although, syempre hindi ko nakikita yung plane, nakikita ko lang yung red flickering light.
Well, this
Kailangan,
time,
kailangan mabilis yan eh. Kasi pag na-spot ko siya, syempre i-open ko pa yung page niya sa laptop. Tapos mag-load pa siya. By the time na makita ko siya, nandun na siya sa bandang North Quezon City, Bulacan. Either kumakaliwa na or kumakanan.
so makikita mo kayo yung pagdating ko kasi daytime, hindi mo siguro makikita.
Pwede. Anong oras kaya natin? Book.
Parang 3:55
Ah,
p.m. hapon.
so, mag-grab ka.
Siguro. Ngayon, nag-ano na ako, download na ako ng Bolt app kasi yun ang ride sharing ko tomorrow going to the airport.
Tapos, naka-confirm ka na ng mga details.
Yeah. Tinry ko na nga eh. Tinignan ko na kung magkano. Ganyan.
But you don't have their money.
Yeah, that's why I have to input my credit card kasi wala akong kulang yung aking check cash. So, through credit card ko na lang babayaran. So, pagdating dyan, yeah, itatry ko yung Grab. I hope it works. Tapos, you sent me that reel, di ba, na there's a Grab pick-up point.
Pag hindi yata mag-work yung ano mo, parang may napanood ako, yung foreigner, parang ayaw niyang wala siyang app or kasi kararating niya lang, hassle mag-download ng app kasi maraming gagawin pa, 'di ba? Tapos wala pa siyang data. Tapos may kiosk si Grab na okay lang na wala kang app
App.
kasi yung kiosk ang magbibigay sa ng receipt. Hindi naman receipt. Parang yung, di ba usually may binibigay ang airport. Pag sa
Mm.
Grab ka kiosk, tapos lalagay nila yung dista, sila compute nung magkano babayaran.
Okay. May ganyan sa Nahiya. T3.
Oo. It's just a
Okay.
matter of looking for it.
Magaganyan ako.
Or, or pipila ka dun sa white taxi.
Yellow siya actually.
What do you mean yellow? Yung airport cab? Meron pa bang airport cab?
Yeah, yung sinasakyan natin. So, tsaka yung sinakyan ko when I came back from Hokkaido. Yun, yellow. Mura lang naman yun eh. Just meter. Naka-meter.
Oo. Hindi ibang patak din ng meter ng yellow. Mas mahal.
Well, lapit kasi natin eh. So, hindi siya kamahalan.
So, hindi ka ginanaw today sa paglalakad niyo ni Jeg.
Hindi naman because there were parts na medyo slightly, very slightly, pinawisan ako ng konti kasi pataas. Kasi yung pinaka-castle nila, syempre as you know, castles are usually on hills, 'di ba? Kasi nga, it has to be a vantage point, a lookout point, it's a fortress, etc., etc. So, medyo mataas. So, umakyat kami. So yun, medyo kakahapo siya. Tapos, but you get a panoramic view, taras panoramic of the Prague skyline.
At saka kasama mo si Jeggy, mas mataas yung adrenaline. Kasi may
Mm.
ka-interaction ka. Iba din yung ano eh. I think pag solo talaga na traveler, nag-ruminate ka lang, wala kang kausap. Ano ba yun?
Kaya sabi ko kay Diego, sabi ko, naku, buti nga ginagawa ko na to kasi baka in a few years, di ko na kaya itong gawin, no? Kasi ang taas din. Pero may mga ano naman, meron sila parang hindi man hop on, hop off yung nakalagay, pero parang tourist bus na parang ganon. So, feeling ko, if you cannot really walk, you can take that naman.
Ang Czech bus was part of Russia ba dati? USSR? Hindi yan yan. Hindi yan siya kasama.
It was not part of the former Soviet Union, but it was also communist. So may mga vestiges of, the communist minimalism, asceticism dito. Yung mga apartment nilang very austere.
Anong oras ka matutulog?
After nito, tulog na ako kasi nag-pack na ako. Yun nga, idadagdag ko na lang yung mga shokla. Tapos,
Yung
ah,
mga chocolate, nilagay mo sa plastic. Dapat pala
nilalag
nagdala ka ng Tupperware.
well, dami kasi siya eh. So, nakaano naman siya, may bag siya na, ayun, nakaano nga siya ngayon sa fridge. So, yun na lang idadagdag ko dun sa isang compartment. I hope kasha. And that's it. I'm done. Tapos nakalabas na yung susuotin ko and yung i-carry on. So, yeah, after this, matulog na ako. Tapos siguro tomorrow, I'll wake up mga siguro 7:30. Tapos, I need to be at the airport at around 11:45. But maybe I can leave here at 10. Kasi nga syempre mag-bolt ako. So it's my first time to use the app and all. So better to do it early. Tapos kasi tomorrow, kahit Sunday siya, since Christmas season, dalawa yung events ng embassy. So medyo busy sila tomorrow. So I want to be out of their way. So I want to also leave early para Diegi can focus on the two events. So meron
Pwede alis
silang
ka na dyan
event
ng mga 8 o'clock or 9.
or 9 siguro 9:30 ganyan. Meron silang lunch event sa embassy. Tapos after that, meron silang church event. So dalawa yun. Kaya I have to be out of everyone's way, including Diegi's. Tapos kanina, binigay ko na kasi yung mga pasalubong. Tapos sabi niya, nasan yung SIM card? Oh my God. Sabi ko, I'm sorry talaga, Diegi, kasi sobrang sabaw ako before I left. So, naiwan, ganyan, ganyan. Okay lang, okay lang. So, sabi ko na, magkano kaya yun ipa FedEx or something? Kasi maliit lang naman yun, diba? Baka hindi naman kamahalan. Although I also don't know how long it will take.
2 weeks siguro, or 3 weeks.
So, pagdating ko dyan, ipapa-FedEx ko na lang.
Yeah. Magpadala ka na ng marami. Isang Globe, isang Smart, isang Dito.
Yung
Sabihin mo
mga-
kay Jeggy, inegosyo na 30
Actually,
pesos lang yata yun or
hindi ko
50
pa,
pesos.
hindi ko pa sinasabi kay DC na naiwan ko yung padala. Hindi niya alam. Ako, I will never hear the end of it pag sinabi ko. So, siguro sabihin ko na lang pag napa-FedEx ko na.
Dapat pala yun ang ginawa natin. The moment na we realize, pina-FedEx na natin bago dumating.
Para, di ba, imagine sa 2 weeks ko sa Italy, baka sabay kami dumating dito sa Czech Republic.
Yeah. Pero kasi I think, ang objective is magpapadala kasi para hindi gagastos. Because I'm sure,
Exactly, that's the objective. But the thing is, it's not I forgot, I neglected to
because
check.
I did not know about it. Did
I did not know
Inday
either.
tell you that there are more
No,
to be
because
found inside the eco
as
bag?
you have seen the ano yun, yung hindi naman yung plastic, ano ba yun, that bag.
Eco
It
bag.
was already, yeah, the eco bag was already tied. So ang idea ni DC was I'm going to just pick that entire bag and put it in my luggage. So she did not anymore detail the contents kasi nga it's just all there. But since we we opened it and removed some stuff, yun, tas hindi ko na I didn't have the sense to really look at the whole thing because I was sabaw. So yun ang nangyari.
Dapat yun ang una nating nilagay.
Hindi, ang ginawa ko na lang doon, we just took out the lubid-lubid and used that same eco bag. Kasi may ano naman siya eh. Andun naman yung Milo, andun yung other
Everything was
stuff.
there.
Kaya nga, ewan ko ba, ba't hindi yun ang ginawa ko? We should have just taken out the big lubid-lubid and used the same eco bag for the Milo and all, for to be there, di ba? And ang ginawa kasi natin, we took out the lubid-lubid, but we also took out the Milo and the other things.
No, because kasi yung nag-pre-pack ka na, tsaka mo na lang in-incorporate yung red. By the time na naisip mo nang ilagay yung kay Jeggy, nakaplastar na yung pinak mo sa maleta. What we should
Oo
have
nga. So
done,
I should
siya
have
ang
just
nauna.
I just should have just put the entire echo bag there with the stuff that I was bringing. Ewan ko bakit hiniwalay-hiwalay ko pa yan tuloy. 'Di ba? Kung tinanggal ko lang yung malaki and use the same bag to put in my maleta, edi sana everything was there, 'di ba? Eh wala, tinanggal-tanggal ko yung Milo, tinanggal ko yung ano pa yung mga tinanggal ko doon. So tapos hindi ko dinala yung bag. So, kaya yun. Dapat tinanggal ko na lang yung lubid-lubid. Kasi yun lang naman ng ayoko, di ba? Yun lang naman ng malaki. All the other stuff there, okay naman. Ewan ko ba, I was so sabaw. Bakit ko pa hiniwalay yun?
Pero kung nadala mo yung SIM card, paano gagana yun? Eh, di ba merong ano, may government requirement to register the SIM card. Eh, paano niya i-register yung SIM card? Na wala kang signal pa doon kasi hindi ka pa registered. I don't know what they do now when you have a new SIM card installed
I
in your.
also don't know.
'Di ba? Kasi kung sa Philippines madali kasi kung dito 'yan, ma-catch mo na yung signal sa dito, 'di ba? Then you do the stuff.
I-roaming mo. Naka-roaming.
So magro-roaming siya kahit na hindi ka pa registered. Eh di para pa may registration.
Maybe it works
Kung
that way.
gagana naman siya kahit hindi ka registered, kung hindi ka pa registered, gano'n.
I have absolutely no idea how that works.
Kasi prepaid yung card, 'di ba? So kailangan i-rehistro yun.
How do you rehistro ba?
I don't know. The
Maybe
same
she
way
can
we read.
rehistro.
Kasi postpaid tayo eh. We had to just say yes, yes, yes to the questions na binigay sa atin ng provider. Yung
Baka
mga, okay,
online,
I agree, I
online lang
agree,
din
I
kasi.
agree. Ha?
Online lang naman yan, di ba? So, maybe she can do that.
Online. There's part that's online kasi you type in your information. But, magpapadala ng OTP, ganun. So, iro-roaming ka agad, ganyan. Kung may Globe sa Prague, meron siguro, kaya yun ang kanyang.
Partner. Kasi ang Globe, every time I enter a new country, it texts me, welcome to Switzerland. Welcome to Czech Republic. Ganun siya. Welcome to Italy. Ano yan pagkalapag,
Yeah. Pero
nag-well. Kasi may partner.
hindi, pero yun din yung remember may na-receive kang text sa roaming. May sinasabi siyang there are countries na inalis na yung 2G, 3G. So ibig sabihin hindi ka na makaka-text. Yung roaming ng call and text, hindi gagana sa country na yun kasi inalis na ng country yung 2G, 3G.
Eh, ilang G ba yung Globe?
4G na tayo, 'di ba?
O
May
di,
2G, 3G, 4G tayo, pero may countries na wala na yung 2G, 3G. Kaya nagbigay ng notisya si Globe dati na, oh, if you go to this country, the roaming for the 2G, 3G hindi na included. I don't exactly know what covers the
So
2G,
baka
3G.
hindi na ganun yung, syempre it's a new SIM card. So hindi na siya siguro 2G, 3G.
Tapos, paano siya bibili ng load? Uutusan niya yung kamag-anak niya. Napadalan siya ng load through GCash, ganun.
Siguro.
Tapos, syempre baka yung phone niya hindi naman capable ng eSIM. But I don't know what she needs it for kasi if she's always in that residence, there's always Wi-Fi.
Well, we are not her. So for herself,
Yeah.
she
So she
needs it.
needs it.
So that's regardless how we think or what. The thing is, she wanted that.
Anyway, it's something we can research about.
Because
Anyway,
I don't know.
magpahinga ka
I
na.
don't know how that works. Okay. Yes. So see you soon. Day 20 finally. Oh my God. Karaos din. Miraculously. Nakaraos din. Imagine, ilan? 3 train rides. 1, 2, 3 flights so far and 2 more to go. Buti walang hitches and glitches. Walang delay, walang cancellation. So, kasi alam mo, yun yung anxiety ko rin nun kasi yung mga museum visits, since they were pre-booked, tulad mga Uffizi na yan, um, Galleria dell'Accademia, Galleria Borghese, Cenaculo, they were all paid for. So kung may na-delay na plane or train doon, wala. Ano na yun? Goodbye. Goodbye yung mga tickets na yun because museums don't refund. So you just have to rebook and pay again. Hindi siya katulad ng flight na you can rebook and have yourself refunded. So parang inisip ko yun na my God, ang dami ko nang binayaran and they all hinged on the efficiency of the transportation system. Imagine. So, I'm just so grateful na walang hitches dun sa ang dami-dami pa namang train rides. So, isa lang mag-hitch dun ako, magdo-domino effect.
May general transpo strike pa naman.
Tapos nag-strike pa. So it was nothing short of miraculous na naituhog ko lahat yon and everything was on schedule. So parang wow, thank God. Parang oh my God, talagang laking sakit ulo nun kung may na ano doon, nabulilyaso.
Anyway, mapuputol na tayo.
Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow.